Now we can discuss about personal branding. Personal branding, how it will be useful, and what are the advantages, how much you can earn in personal branding. That is we can discuss now. Personal branding is the concise and international effort to create and influence public perception of an individual by positioning them as an authority in their industry, elevating their credibility and differentiating themselves from the competition to ultimately advance their career. 10 tips for developing your personal brand. Figure out who you are. Determine what you want to be known for. Define your audience. Research your desired industry and follow the experts. Ask for international informational interviews. Embrace networking. Ask for recommendations. Grow your online presence. What is personal branding strategy? A personal branding strategy is a plan to take your reputation and career from relative obscurity to high visibility. It describes where you stand from relative obscurity, where you stand to today, and what level of visibility you want to achieve in the future. A modern personal branding strategy is strongly rooted in content marketing. The most effective personal brands are built around those 7 key elements. What are those key elements for effective personal brands? Authenticity. Authenticity can't be forced. And package consistency. Your story, expertise, visibility, value proposition, and connections. What makes a strong personal brand? Your expertise, your mission, your image, positioning through a compelling brand story are the ingredients of a powerful personal brand. This is what you should cover and package before jumping into the action and creating content to market yourself. One thing I want to say you personally, that I am also preparing the notes. I am collecting the information and researching the information and collecting the information, and I am preparing the note also. By that note I am explaining everything without missing the options. That is I want to say to you. Then we can come into the subject again. These 7 steps will get you on your way to creating a powerful personal brand. Craft your brand vision. Decide what you want to be known for. Define your audience. Develop a consistent message. Be authentic. Create your own website. Build your social media presence. Branding yourself. 6 tips for professional success. Who do you think you are? Branding yourself begins with self-reflection. What are people saying about you? Imitation is flattery. Don't forget your soft skills. Talk a great talk. Manage your reputation. I am discussing about personal branding. 3 keys to developing a personal brand. What are the 3 keys for developing a personal brand? A clear, unique strength, talent, or expertise. Get clear on your personal strengths, talents, values, and core area of expertise. An ability to clearly articulate that uniqueness, the persistence to communicate your brand consistently through many channels. Amazing personal branding examples. Useful personal branding examples. Choose a logo and color story for your personal brand. That logo is most important. And colorful story. Story means to not, it's not lying. Truthful story should be there regarding that product, and you want to give the branding information and all this. That will also come under a story regarding the product or your personal brand or your personal brand. And choose and keep things organized. Keep things simple. Use branded link. Personalize your images. Find your brand choice. Let your work do the talking. And the next point is, what are the branding strategies? There are 4 brand strategies are line extension, brand extension, new brand strategy, and flanker or fight brand strategy. This is the information I want to share with you. And what is a brand framework? What is the brand framework? A brand framework is a conceptual structure that serves as a supporting tool that guides the creation and management of brand assets. It acts as a starting point and frame of reference for the creation of all brand communications, be that a positioning message, how a printed brochure is designed. What are 4 types of brands? Personal branding, product branding, service branding, retail branding, cultural and geographic branding, corporate branding, and online branding and offline branding. These are the types of brands. What is personal branding? At first, it can feel kind of strange to think of a person as having a brand. And product brand. What is product branding? Product branding is the action of branding to a specific product. This is the information I want to share with you regarding brands. And finally, how do you categorize brands? That is, we can discuss. In multi-brand situations, people categorize all known brands into subsets called consideration, hold, foggy, and reject sets. This is the Bryce-Stokes-Larouche model, and traditional brand categorization models include this. Assume that consumers can properly categorize each brand in these subsets. This is the information I want to share with you regarding category brands. Categorize the brands. Then utilize all these things for your brand development, especially personal branding also. It will give a good thought to you how to develop and how to increase and what are the goals of you and all these things also. This is the information I want to share with you. Be prosperous and be successful in your areas. Wishing you all the best.